Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here we have to switch to the video section, to the video mode. So let's tap on the video. If it is highlighted in this I believe it's orange, but it may seem like it is yellow, whatever. If it is highlighted and if you can see the red color inside the shutter button, for sure you're on the video mode. Now we can take a look at this option bar, and right in the middle we've got the resolution option. Currently we've got 1080p option applied. After tapping on it, we can set 720p. Unfortunately, after tapping on it again, we've got again 1080p, which simply means that we've got only two different options from which we can choose. It's of course up to you which option you'd like to use, whichever you can see. So for example, the 720p, it means that it has been immediately applied, and from now on your device will record the videos in chosen resolution. Alright, so actually this is it. This is how to change video resolution in your device. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.